Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Question 1. Why did Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu deposit the jewels given by the Empress of the Rome to Hazrat Umar's Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu wife in the Baitul Mal? Answer. The bottles of perfumes for which jewels were presented were considered the wealth of the subjects by Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. That is why the jewels were deposited in the Baitul Mal by Hazrat Umar Farooq Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Question 2. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu was one of those people who served the new religion with singleness of purpose. Describe the services of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu to Islam in the context of this statement. Answer. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu entered the fold of Islam at the age of 27. He took part in many battles for the survival of Islam. He devoted his whole life for the service of Islam. He made no distinction between the ruler and the ruled. His foremost concern was unstinted services to humanity. He used to roam about at night, often undercover, to acquaint himself with the condition of his people. The Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam described the importance of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu in these words. If Allah had wished that there should have been another Nabi after me, he would have been none other than Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu. Question 3. Humility and simplicity were the hallmarks of Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu rule. Support this view by giving evidences from the given text. Answer. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu led a very simple life. His standard of living was in no case higher than an ordinary man. He wore coarse dress and ate coarse food. He drew only an ordinary honorarium to meet his ordinary necessities of life. Once the envoy of the Roman emperor visited him in Medina. At that time, Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu was lying on the bare floor of the masjid. The envoy was astonished to see such a great caliph in such simple condition. Question 4. Why did Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu not eat wheat bread? Answer. Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu did not eat wheat bread because it was not available to each and every common person living in his vast dominions. Question 5. How did Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu ensure his own accountability and the accountability of his governors before the public during his government? Answer. A common man had an easy access to Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu, and everyone was free to question his actions. Once a person in a public meeting protested against him. People wanted to silence him, but Hazrat Umar Raziyallahu Ta'ala anhu allowed him to speak. Every governor had to sign a bond on his appointment that he would lead simple life, and all people would have an easy access to his presence at any time.